Alright, so boom. So always adjust yourself first, right? So adjust this, pull this down, bring it onto your knees, because that's what you're going to use to push it up. How you add the weight? You add the weight right here. Put as much weight as you want. I can't manage too much, you know, my calf's small and they're weak. So 45 pounds there for me. Now in order for you to even start this goes up first. Knees goes up. After the knee go up, this releases. This lever releases. So you won't be able to push this until you go up. There's a latch underneath it, right? So up, it releases on its own. Now you can start working out. But make sure that you can push your knees high enough to latch it back when you're done. Because if not, yeah, you suck salt. I'm not gonna lie, you suck salt. Because I don't know how the frig you get out of this here. But because especially when it's heavy for you and your feet failing, yeah. And if you're tired too, then you probably won't even, it's hard to even pull up this with your hand, to be honest. It's really hard. So you actually have to push with all your might to get your knees back up. And latch this back. Alright, ready? Let's knock it out. Alright, 20.